American Motors Corporation today is a diversified worldwide company and is among the 100 largest manufacturing corporations in America. American Motors and subsidiary companies have a total of 18 plants in the United States and Canada, while international operations include 23 manufacturing and assembly plants and licensees worldwide. American Motors employs approximately 28,000 people. The world headquarters in Southfield, Michigan, is a symbol of the growth that has taken the company far beyond its pioneering role as a manufacturer of passenger cars. Our automotive history dates back to the Thomas B. Jeffrey Company in 1902, where the first Rambler was produced here in Kenosha. The Kenosha manufacturing and assembly plants cover nearly 6 million square feet, making it the largest automotive assembly plant under one roof in the United States. You are going to see only a portion of it on your tour today, which will feature the final assembly of our automobiles. Engines for our automobiles and Jeeps are produced in our Kenosha plant. The Kenosha Engine Division is one of the most up-to-date engine manufacturing plants in the industry. AMC's new lightweight six-cylinder engine is almost 100 pounds lighter to improve gas mileage in our vehicles. In the press room, sheet metal components for our automobiles are stamped out using dies designed for each part. For rust prevention, one-sided galvanized steel is used in 100% of all exterior metal and on most interior sheet metal. Sheet metal then goes to the body plants for assembly on welding fixtures. Bodies are produced here in the main plant body division and also at our lakefront plant located near the Kenosha Harbor on Lake Michigan. Welding fixtures. Bodies are produced here in the main plant body division and also at our lakefront plant located near the Kenosha Harbor on Lake Michigan. Following the welding of our unitized bodies, the paint departments finish the bodies before the assembly operations, incorporating improved rust protection processes of deep dip, prime painting, and the exclusive Z-Bark factory rust protection on all automobiles. Painted bodies then go to the final trim departments or being transported by truck or conveyor to the final assembly lines. Your tour today begins in the main plant lobby, where you will notice the American Motor Show radio studio. The Kenosha plant is unique in its concept of employee communications by the utilization of local radio and an in-plant closed-circuit television system to keep our employees informed. The first stop on your tour will be the Data Processing Center, where all new car orders, car scheduling, payrolls, and other information and records are processed on the latest systems equipment available. As you enter the plant, you will travel through manufacturing areas where ring and pinion gears, spindles, and other parts requiring heat treatment are processed. The next area is where rear axle components are machined and assembled, including rear axle and differential gears and cases, axle shafts, and axle tubes. Rear axles, drivetrains, and front suspensions travel through an electrostatic spray booth where they are completely coated with paint on the way to the final assembly area. As you enter the final assembly division, you will see the engines being mated with the undercarriage and both united with the automobile in our motor mount area, while the bodies continue non-stop on the assembly line. Our two assembly lines are each capable of producing about 80 vehicles an hour, or up to 2,500 automobiles per day. As you proceed down the final assembly area, you will see the many operations required to complete our vehicles, Spirit, Concorde, and the four-wheel drive Eagle, Eagle SX4, and Eagle Camback. The completed cars and automobiles are driven into a test area and onto a rolls test where all working parts are checked by a quality control inspector. Quality control, testing, and inspection are continual processes throughout all phases of manufacture and assembly, including the testing performed in the exhaust emission lab to meet government standards and at the Wisconsin Proving Grounds located near Burlington, Wisconsin, west of Kenosha. At AMC, quality control means building it right the first time. The last operation you will see on the end of the final assembly line is the front end alignment accomplished on the most modern equipment. Your tour today will enable you to see all the current American Motors passenger cars and automobiles available. We ask that you observe the safety rules, which your guide will point out to you. We hope you will enjoy your tour, and if you have any questions, please ask your guide.